Hello guys, welcome to iCar DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to replace our LED fog light on 2006 Ford Focus. And trust me, it's really easy. Now in our box we have two fog lights, two drivers, one set of wire, four wire connector, two fuse tabs, two tapes and a wiring diagram. Step 1. Let's open the engine hood. Remove both left side and right side headlights. Take off the fog light plastic cover and unscrew and remove the OEM fog light. Now use the OEM fog light screw we just had taken off to fasten our LED fog light properly. If our LED fog light is not fixing properly, then you might need to cut off the obstructed area, but don't worry about the outlooks. After replacing back the fog light cover, those ugly parts will be seen. If you have screwed our LED fog light correctly, then the fog light cover can be replaced back in a perfect way. Step 2. Place and connect LED driver. I normally like to stick the driver with 3M tapes near to our LED fog light. If you're still confused how to connect the wire, then please check our wiring diagram. The blue one normally we connect to the side light positive pole, and the function is after you turn on the side light, the GRL should reduce its illuminance. And the green one will need to be connected to the fuse box, and it will give electricity and light on the GRL. Okay, let's connect the blue wire to side light positive pole. Here I'm gonna use this wire connector to connect it. But you also can slice wire and connect it properly to a wide pull connection. You can see on the wire connector has two small holes and a silver checker. We just need to put the wire inside the hole and squeeze the silver checker hardly, then fasten the wire connector. Normally I will slide the green wire and connect it to the fuse tab. Pull out the fuse from fuse box and stick the fuse to fuse tab directly. Okay, in this car, the fuse box is near the passenger side, so I will let the green wire go inside through firewall. After check the fuse box diagram, I saw the fuse number F68 is radio and it gives ACC electricity. We just pull out the F68 fuse, stick it to the fuse tab, then stick the fuse tab to F68 location. Now, we will connect the yellow colored wire from LED driver to turn signal positive pole. And here I will still use the wire connector to make it easy. After finishing the wiring, don't hurry to replace your headlight back, because we need to adjust the fog light to a comfort angle for a perfect illuminated result. You can see the adjustment screw is at the bottom of our fog light. Use your hands to turn it and get a perfect effect. Normally I will adjust it till it can illuminate about 30 to 40 meters. Don't do the adjustment indoor like your garage, and don't adjust the fog light too high, it might affect others' vision. At last, we need to do few tests. First, check GRL working properly or not. Second, turn on side light and check GRL light got reduced or not. Third, check if the turn signal functions are working properly or not. Fourth, check if the fog light is working or not. Guys, if you have followed our instruction properly, then I believe the result will fulfill your satisfaction. Thank you for watching and see you next time.